Welcome everyone to how to get Facebook to earn for you. Of course, Facebook is a program, so you have to do something to Facebook to make it earn for you. You have to do something in Facebook. So welcome everyone. If you haven't done so, please state your city, where you're coming from, where you're sitting on. If you don't know your city because it's a strange place, sabihin niyo pati yung inyong country, no? Siyempre, no? Baka Azerbaijan ka, hindi naman namin alam. So, okay? So, everybody knows where everybody's coming from. Okay? Sabihin nyo, state nyo kung city kayo. City ang interested kami sa cities. Okay? So, even the chat is recorded. So, even though we can't hear you, people will see your city and stuff like that. So, this is good. We're trying to hit 300 for this one. Okay? So, let's start off. This is completely free stuff. Pag kinarir nyo to, great changes will happen in your life. Okay? Let's start off with a game. Okay, everybody play a game. It will help if you have a ball pen. Kung wala kang ball pen, memorize nyo na lang. Tayo, kuha ball pen. Kuha ball pen. Ball pen, syempre, may susulatan ka, di ba? Okay? May susulatan ka dapat, hindi lang ball pen. Okay? You ready now? Good. We're gonna play a game, and the game is something you can do, something that's very easy for everyone. Kasi you guys know this. Okay? So let's play this game. There is a hidden object in the picture sa baba. The list of the hidden objects are above. Can you see the list of hidden objects? Okay? Look for the hidden objects. Actually, kahit hindi nyo ako narinig, basahan nyo yung screen. Di ba? Nagbabago naman yung screen. What does the screen say? Look for the hidden object. You look for a goat, ant, Saturn, butterfly, sun, slippers, cow, dog, rabbit. Okay? Tandaan nyo? Goat, ant, Saturn, bag, butterfly, sun, slippers, cow, dog, rabbit. Okay? Nikki, take care of those people who can't hear a thing. So, nakuha nyo na yung listahan? Sure kayo nakuha nyo na yung listahan? Say yes. I got the list. This is a hidden object game. Okay? Game? Papalitan ko yung screen. Okay? O, sige. Go. Look for stuff in this na galing sa listahan mo. Can you see Saturn? Can you see the cow? I can see the cow. It's above the word how to play. Can you see the cow? Can you see the horse? Wala. Hindi naman siya papahanap ng horse. You can see the chair, but hindi naman siya papahanap ng chair. Diba? What else can you see? Anybody can see anything? Sabihin niyo sa chat room. What can you see? What can you see? Oh, sa lower right-hand corner, can you see a horse? Can you see the horse in the lower right-hand corner? Share. Oh, di ba? Kita niyo yan sa lower right-hand corner, yung horse. Kita niyo, di ba? So, hindi pa tayo tapos. Let's go to the other side of the photograph. This one is the left side. What can you see na hinahanap nung listahan originally? There wasn't a butterfly mentioned. No. Butterfly was not mentioned in the original list. Tingnan niyo to. Ay, meron pala. Hehe. Sorry. May butterfly. Okay, go back. What else can you see? What else can you see? Parang may rabbit doon, ano? There's a rabbit there, right? Can you see it? It's very faint. My goodness. Okay. There's also a hawk. Very nice. So, kuha nyo na, no? So, sino dito ang sobrang nahirapan ng utak sa ginawa natin? Sino dito nag-enjoy? Anybody enjoyed? Anybody enjoyed that game? That's a hidden thingy game. It's a hidden hidden object game, right? And that's a very popular game sa papel, di ba? So, this is actually a game na niran ng DMCI. This is that. DMCI Homes. Read there. And it's running up to now, hanggang ngayon. Para hanapin mo yung object, and you actually win 3 days 2 nights sa Boracay if you win this. Okay ba 'yon? Okay ba 'yon? If you win this, you win 3 days 2 nights sa Boracay sa kanilang property. So that's just playing a game, okay? So this is the actual front screen for the game. Nakalagay doon. Find the hidden object as quickly as you can and get a chance to win 3 days 2 nights stay for 2 at Alta Vista de Boracay. And click on play now. Oh, di ba? Wala dapat echo. Zoe Marano. So, in case you want to go back to this game, you know, it's just go to the DMCI Homes actual, yeah, it's an actually running contest up to today. Okay? Marunong kayo niyan, di ba? Oh. Example lang yan ng game na alam kong actually running from the Philippines. Now, if you want to join this contest, you click on Play Now. Ano yung click? Pakisabi nga, ano yung click? Play Now, right? Anybody? Anong click? Thank you. Tapos meron siyang tatanungin. Yung, whatever. Normally, you will click on Go to App, di ba? Tapos pagka-click mo ng Go to App, meron siyang tatanungin, do you want to ask permission? As allow. Have you seen this before? Yung mga allow permissions. Have you seen this? Yeah, yung nakakita naman kayo ng allow. Hindi naman nakakatakot. Hindi yan technical. Ano? Very good. Oh. Pagdating darating yan, ganyan. May nakikita kayong mga kandado, isabihin hindi na pwedeng laruin yan kasi tapos na yung game na yan. So, the last game is Leisure. So, you click on the Leisure. Okay, normally, you click on the Leisure to play the game. Okay? Then, most of the time, when you're starting off, you wanna read kung qualified ka. Kasi baka hindi ka qualified. Tingnan mo to. If you click on the terms and conditions, kita nyo yung TNC? And you see the TNC? Yung parang ano? Sa under the word leisure, merong TNC, terms and conditions. So, kiklik mo muna yan kasi baka hindi ka qualified. Dapat Pilipino ka, legal age, tapos fans ka ng DMCI homepage. Tapos hanggang May 6 yung contest. So, you read the stuff. Tama ba ako? You read the stuff to find out kung ano ba yung papanalunan mo and ano yung terms. Okay? Para malaman kung qualified ka. So, terms and conditions yan, no? Question, big deal? No big deal? No big deal ba siya? No big deal? Basahin mo yung terms and conditions. No big deal, di ba? Ha? Big deal? Terms and conditions? Babasahin mo lang? Big deal? Alis na sa chatroom. Yung mga nagsasabing magbabasa ng terms and conditions na big deal. Pag big deal ang pagbabasa ng terms and conditions, sige, huwag nyo na akong pakinggan. Eh, kasi nahihirapan kayong magbasa eh. Hindi ko na kaya kayong tulungan. Thank you! Okay, next. Okay, tutulungan ko lang yung mga taong common sense. Okay, next. How to play. So, ito yung merong how to play na instructions sa lower right. Kita nyo yan, may how to play sa pinaka-last. So, of course, you will figure out how to play. So, you read how to play. And then after that, punta ka doon sa leaderboard. Nasaan yung leaderboard? Let me show that. You make crown. See that? Under the word leisure, it's leaderboard. Ano yung isabihin ng leaderboard? Sige nga. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng leaderboard? Ano sabihin yan? These are people who are what? Mataas ang score. Kung gusto mong matalo yung top player, dapat more than 250 points ka. Or 250 points ka. Yan ang leaderboard, right? So far, so good. Wala pang technical. Tama, no? Kasi kung nate-technical kayo sa leaderboard, wag na kayo manood ng basketball at all. Okay? Kasi yung tawag dyan, score. Okay? Yan dyan ang score. Kasi maraming players, maraming score. Okay? Kung sinong highest, at pinakamaagang nakuha yung highest, siya yung mananalo. Sabi ng terms and conditions. Okay? First honor. Wag na rin kayo mag-aral. Huwag papaaral. Anak ninyo kasi merong leaderboard yun ang tawag doon. First honor, second honor, valedictorian. That's the leaderboard. Okay? Yay! 200 participants na tayo. Okay, let's go for 300. Now, the leaderboard, very important para malaman mo kung malapit ka ng manalo o hindi. Yes, audio lang. Okay? So, this part, when you enter the leisure, papipiliin ka kung gusto mo maglaro sa view deck, sa infinity pool, or the clubhouse. Ibig sabihin, itong game na to, 3 parts yung game. Okay? 3 parts. Ang nilaro natin kanina was view deck only. If you click on infinity pool, makikita mo yung swimming pool, iba namang objects to find there. Sa clubhouse, ibang objects to find din doon. So, for those of you who just came just now, okay, I'm just discussing the game Vacation Hunt from DMCI Homes. That's all I'm doing. I'm discussing the game. Okay? So there are 3 games in 1. Okay? Tapos, ito yung pindutin mo before you start playing the game. And then there, you can play the game. Okay? Again, this is what the game looks like, view deck. Ibig sabihin, when you actually go to that resort, okay, ito yung makikita mo daw na view, sabi nila. Okay? So this is one way for DMCI to promote the Alta Vista Resort. At the same time, magbabad ka looking at the resort because you're playing a game. Okay? It's a way for them to promote their website and a way for them to promote their properties. Yan yung contest ng DMCI ngayon. Pag tapos na, game over ka. Tapos yung points mo, 0 points kung wala kang ginawa. Okay? Ang galing. Nanghuhula pa rin hanggang ngayon. And that's the score, that's the game over screen. Okay. Question. Did I just walk you through a game? Did I? Yes or no? Yes, of course. You can always play the game paulit-ulit hanggang makuha mo yung high point. Hindi ka one-timer lang eh. So, paulit-ulit mong playing game, paulit-ulit mong playing game. Now, for this example, you can play the game again and again. What we're gonna discuss tonight is not a complicated game like this, but a very simple game lang. Okay, which is just join and win. Parang raffle contest. So this is a complicated game that normally a programmer would do. No, a programmer would do this. We're not gonna talk about that. However, I need to show you that game kasi malalaro mo to after today. At the same time, nandun yung mga elements ng isang Facebook game. We're talking about Facebook gaming today. And this game is the kind of game that when you join, you win something. Literally something. Okay? We're not talking about Cityville, Farmville, you know, Words with Friends, draw something na you don't win anything. Okay? I'm also not going to discuss today na kakaririn nyo yung pagpapanalo ng contest. Hindi yun yung gagawin natin. Okay? Hindi tayo sasali sa contest as mananalo tayo ng mga objects or like 3 days, 2 nights. Hindi rin natin i-discuss yun. So just to be clear, I went through that game, that DMCI game, because it's a game. And it has all the elements of the game. Okay? For those of you suspicious, aha! Ibig sabihin niya, maglalaro kami ng maraming contest. Hindi ganon. Hindi ganon. I'm not talking about small money. I'm talking about big money. Okay? Hi, Virginia. And I also skipped the part wherein I introduced myself. Yes? Kasi, alamin nyo na lang yun sa about.jomarhilary.com. Kung gusto nyo sino ba nagsasalita? Ayan, punta sa about.jomarhilary.com. Alamin nyo kung sino ako. Because my business today is to tell you how to make money using whatever you know in Facebook already. And just add to it. Siyempre, you have to add to it para you go to the money-making part. Okay? So, hinga malalim, everyone. Come on, sabihin nyo yes pag done na. Hinga na malalim. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Yes, oh, very good. Tapos na si Tess. Go! So, I'm going to teach you how to look for Facebook games that are running today because I need you to play some more games. Yes. I need you to play some more games. So, how do you do that? Pumunta ka sa Twitter. Alam niyo yung Twitter? It doesn't matter kung hindi nyo naintindihan si Twitter. Inhale. Twitter daw. Pumunta ka sa Twitter. Ang Twitter, ang ginagamit yan, pag may lindol, gusto mo malaman kung saan galing yung lindol. Kasi ang Twitter, real time. Ang Twitter, ang bilis. Pag merong nakita kang usok na malayo, pumunta ka sa Twitter, mag-search ka sa Twitter, malalaman mo kung nasaan ang Twitter. Hindi mo kailangan maging member ng Twitter. Hindi mo kailangan maintindihan ang Twitter. Kailangan mo siyang i-type sa internet. So, pumunta ka sa Twitter, ayan. Ta-type mo lang siya. Hindi mo siya kailangan maintindihan. Sa taas, merong search. So, papakita ko sa inyo yan, may search. Ayun yung may Q, may search. Ang ita-type nyo dyan sa search na yan ay, halimbawa, earthquake, Manila. Isabihin, kakalindol lang, gusto mo malaman saan galing. Malalaman mo kung hanggang Pampanga o Mindanao yan kasi sasabihin ng mga tao sa Twitter. Ganun ang ginagawa namin sa Twitter. Secret. Yan yung pinakamabilis na way para makita yung balita. So, ta-type mo Facebook contest sa Twitter. Hindi mo kailangan maging member ng Twitter. Hindi mo kailangan maintindihan ng Twitter. You don't even need to understand what's it for. Just type the words chismis, hindi. Facebook contest. Tapos you can also type the word Facebook contest Philippines. Okay? Oo nga Ruby. Ako din walang account. Wala kaming pakialam kung wala kayong account. Tama ba ako? Hindi nyo kailangan magkaroon ng account. Kakasabi ko lang, hindi mo kailangan ng account. Kamote. Ganun talaga ako. Pasensya na kayo. Ganun talaga ako. Ganun talaga ako. Hindi nga kailangan ng account. Sige, hindi ko tutuloy yung talk. Ita-type nyo lang yung Facebook Contest Philippines. Hindi ako high blood. Ganyan lang talaga ako. Okay? Genuine lang ako. Hindi ako nagpe-pretend. Okay? Pag sinabi kong, punta kayo sa Twitter, pindutin nyo yung search, yun lang ang gagawin nyo. O hindi ako mainit ang ulo. Wala nga nangyayari sa blood pressure ko eh. Ba ano lang. O syempre, kung nasa ibang bansa ka, Miss CC, type mo yung Facebook contest country mo. Facebook contest USA, Arizona, wherever country you are, of course. No? If you're Dubai, Facebook contest Dubai. Para malaman mo anong local contest sa inyo. And then, when you find it, in my case, today I found Kasmara Cosmetics is running a contest. By the way, what they're doing is, kung hindi nyo kilala yung Kasmara Cosmetics, sabi niya, mag-upload ka daw ng picture na nagre-relax ka. Tapos itag mo lang sila. Yun. Yun lang yung contest nila. Binasa ko lang for those of you na na hindi nakakabasa nito, no. Binasa ko lang na all you have to do is put a picture up, tag mo sila, tapos yun na yung contest. By the way, illegal to. You're not supposed to do this in Facebook, pero ginagawa nila. Later, explain ko sa inyo. So, upload a picture and tag them. Okay. Ito naman, Philippines din to. Bring One Direction to Philippines. Now, they're also running a contest. Ang contest nila ay like the page. And you will be may voting. Hindi na klaro kung ano yung contest eh. Basta may voting daw. Like the page lang. Tapos may voting. Yung One Direction, banda yan sa UK. Gusto nilang dalhin sa Pilipinas yung banda na yan. So may contest sila. Again, illegal yung contest na yan. Explain ko na naman mamaya, okay? Kaya may opportunity tayo eh. Kasi ang daming gumagawa ng contest sa Facebook na illegal. So, I'm gonna teach you the legal way to do it. So, yung Brussels Airport, I got that from Facebook contest. So, may nag-run ng contest ng Brussels Airport. Sabi ng ganito, send your pictures to our inbox. Maximum 3 pictures per person. Make sure your picture is relevant to the Brussels Airport. And you will win a picture. Lalagay nila yung mukha mo sa Brussels Airport na Facebook. Yun yung mapapanalunan mo. Ilalagay nila yung mukha mo dun sa Brussels Airport na picture. Okay? Amabel, anong weird ng tanong mo ha? Yun ang title ng talk eh. Since di pa ako tapos, so wala pa tayo doon. Okay. Okay. Ang itatype mo sa Twitter ay, actually, you guys, you can go back to the slides kung hindi nyo na-gets. Pwede nyo i-move yung slides ninyo. Meron dyang arrow left and right. Ayun, no, type mo yung Facebook contest or Facebook contest your country. Okay? So I want you to look for contests in the next week and play as many contests as you can, mga 10. Okay? So, as many contests as you can, mga 10 na contest para makakita kayo iba't ibang klaseng contest. Siyempre, mas masaya kung yung contest ay yung mga trip ninyo yung premyo kasi baka manalo kayo. Pag nanalo kayo, di siyempre, ang gagawin nyo, alam nyo na gagawin nyo, di ba? Anong gagawin nyo pag nanalo kayo? Pinaglaro ko kayo ng contest, pinuwerso ko kayo maglaro, ngayon anong gagawin ninyo pag nanalo kayo? Siyempre, bigyan nyo ako ng video. Hindi balato. Labo nyo. Video. Yun, kwento nyo sa amin, pero i-video nyo. Sabi mo, thank you, Jomar, nanalo ako ng kotse sa contest ng Mercedes-Benz Philippines. Mga ganun. Alam niyo isang secret, pero hindi ito yung point o konti lang sumasali ng contest sa Facebook sa Philippines. Pag maganda yung premyo, most likely, 20 lang kayong sumasali o 100 lang. So, kung maganda yung premyo, sa'yo na yun. Basta tiyagain mo lang. Anyway, that's a secret. Moving on. Okay. Now, you have to try to play games that use an app. Let me tell you what I mean by games that use an app. Remember, merong Facebook. Yung Facebook, nagra-run sila ng, may mga companies dyan na nagra-run ng contest. Sa totoo lang, may tinatawag na Facebook contest rules. Kailangan, okay, malapit ko na sagutin, Amabel. Malapit ko na sagutin. Ito na, susunod na. Slide 30. Okay, ready na? Kaya? Yung kailangan, yung mga contest, sila, sumusunod sila dun sa Facebook contest rules na itinalaga ng Facebook. Ito yon. Hindi naman marami yung Facebook contest rules. Isa lang. Okay? Okay. Isa lang ang Facebook rules. Pag gumamit ka ng contest, don't use Facebook. Use an app. Yun yun. Pag gumawa ka ng contest sa Facebook, you cannot use any feature of Facebook. You have to use the app. Ano yung app? Ganito. Sumali ka sa Facebook. contest. Tapos may nakita kang ganyan. So, pinindot mo yung play. Tama ba? Yes? Say yes. Say yes. Pinindot mo yung play, di ba? Say yes, say yes. Sige na. Chatroom, say yes. Pindutin mo yung play. Game. Tapos may makikita kang ganyan. Yeah? Tapos may nakikita kang go to app. Tapos may nakalagay na this app. Ano ibig sabihin yan? App yan. Pag pindot mo yung go to app, meron na namang isa. Ano na nakalagay doon? This app may post on your behalf. Tapos may allow. So gets nyo na kung paano nyo malaman kung yung contest may app. Alam nyo na. Pag humihingi siya ng allow, may app yun. Pag sabi niyang upload pictures to Facebook, illegal yun na contest. Gets nyo? Illegal yung contest pag walang app. Pag walang ganito. You know? Pag walang ganyan. Pag walang ganyang hinihingi sa'yo, illegal yung contest. Sige, gagawin ko parang sira plaka. Pag pumali ka ng contest, tapos nakalagay upload to Facebook, tag as in your photo, tapos wala kang nakakitang ganire. Tunk! Tunk! Illegal yan. Ngayon, ito yung nakakatawa. Pag illegal yung contest, hindi naman nakikita ng Facebook. Kasi masyado malaki yung Facebook. Pero pag nalaman ng Facebook yan, pwede nilang burahin yung account ng company. Pakiulit sa chatroom. Burahin. Gusto ng company yan, di ba? Burahin ng Facebook ang account ng company. Gusto ba ng company yan? Okay. Gusto ba nila yan? Siyempre, hindi. Kasi hindi naman nila alam eh. Hindi nila alam na illegal yung mga ano nila. Ginagawa nilang Facebook app. Ginagawa nilang contest. Ngayon, kayo alam ninyo. All 236 of you, alam ninyo yan. Pero sila, hindi nila alam. They are getting away with it. Pero okay lang. Pag may tanong kayo, gawin yung complete sentence kasi hindi ko naiintindihan yung context. Like yung, hindi hack yung ganito. What do you mean ganito? So, kompletuhin mo. Okay? So, this is an app. Nakita nyo na ganyan ng app. So, let's do nagawa tayo ng legal na Facebook contest. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng legal na Facebook contest. I will literally English you how to make a legal Facebook contest that has an app. Okay ba yun? Yes ba kayo dyan? Gusto nyo bang matutunan yan? Oo. Kayo gagawa ng app So, kung kayo gumawa niyan, tas bad kayo, siyempre bad yung app. Huwag kayo magtanto ko sa hacking dito Hindi related Hindi talaga super related ang hacking. It's for some other kind of seminar. It's not for tonight. This is money making sa internet using Facebook legal apps. Go! Mamimigay tayo ng t-shirt kunyari. Tapos yung t-shirt na yan, kahit sino pwedeng sumali. Gets? Mamimigay tayo ng t-shirt, kahit sino pwedeng sumali. Submit lang nila yung email nila. Okay? Submit lang nila yung email nila. Tapos, iraraffle lang natin sino mananalo. Sobrang simpleng app. Nagigets nyo? Ano yung iraraffle natin? Anong premyo? Gets nyo? Anong premyo? T-shirt. Anong qualification para manalo? Anong qualification para manalo? Just give us your email. Right? So that's a very simple contest. Now, gusto yan ng mga companies. Pag nakita nila yung email address ng mga kliyente nila, pwede nilang bentahan in the future. Kaya, maganda yan promotion. Okay? Pagkakakitaan niya ng mga kumpanya, pag nakuha nila yung email address ng mga taong nagla-like sa kanila. Okay? Okay, in internet marketing, email equals money. Email address equals money. Pakiulit, internet marketing, email address equals money. Buhay ng internet marketing yan. That's my life. Para mag-gets ninyo. Okay, go ako. So, ito yung premyo natin. Halimbawa, dinekot ko lang sa internet to para sa mga taong hindi alam kung paano mag-decode sa internet. Ayan. Inhale kayo, inhale. Inhale, sige, inhale. Inhale na. Sige pa, mamaya na exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Ayan. Ang bango, no? Inhale. Kailangan nyo ng oxygen para sa next part. Inhale. Ayan. Very good. Okay, very good na. So, ito yung premyo natin. Picture lang naman ng t-shirt yan. Halimbawa, yan ang ating premyo, no? Tapos, I'll introduce you to a new friend. Sa mga nag-a-attend ng VA seminar ko, yan ang friend nila si Google. Pero tonight, ang friend natin si Orange. Anong pangalan ng friend nyo? Pwede na mag-exhale, team. What's the name of your friend? Orange. Orange is your friend, ha? Lalo na yung mga colorblind dyan. May arrows naman, kahit na hindi nyo nakikita si Orange. So, kilala nyo na si friend nyo. Orange is your friend. Sa mga nata-technicalan dito sa part na to, inhale lang kayo. Inhale lang. Yan. Orange is your friend. Mamaya, pag nawawala kayo, hahanapin nyo yung friend nyo, right? Disneyland. Nawawala ako. Where's my friend? So, hanapin nyo si Orange. Okay. Let me introduce you to shortstack.com. And you have no idea what this is for. Pero sino ang friend mo? Who's your friend? Who's your friend? Anong gagawin nyo? Pipindutin nyo yung create a free account. Kasi orange siya. Okay? Shortstack is a program that is used to create a Facebook contest. Okay? Actually, many things. Pero tuturo ko sa inyo paano kung mag-create ng Facebook contest. Go! Inside lang, pag-explain ko lang sa inyo, meron siyang free na trial card. Yung sweepstakes, yun yung contest. Anong ibig sabihin ng sweepstakes? Hindi, shortstack.com. Shortstack.com po yan. Ang sweepstakes ay contest. So, as long as yung Facebook page na paglalagyan mo ay may 2,000 or less na likes, pwede kang maglaro. So, unang-unang gagawin, gagawa ka muna ng Facebook page. Hindi ko kino-cover yan kasi sobrang dali lang yan, ano? Punta ka lang sa FB, tapos gumawa ka ng page. Pag sinabi nyo hindi alam paano, pindutin niyo yung button na nilagay ko dyan. Hindi nyo gagawin ngayon, ha? Yan yung command na paggawa ng page. It doesn't matter the name of the page because you're just gonna play with this page, okay? That's how to create a page in Facebook. Am I clear about making a page? Yan yung pinakauna mong gagawin. Dapat meron ka ng Facebook page. Parang paggawa ng Facebook account, yung Facebook page. Bibigyan mo lang siya ng pangalan. Babansagan mo lang siya ng pangalan. Okay, pag nabigay mo na yung pangalan, kalimutan mo na siya, tapos punta ka na sa shortstack.com. Ayan. Hindi sa loob ng Facebook yan, ha. Hindi nyo gagawin to, ha. Hindi nyo ako sasabayan. Pag sinabayan nyo ako, mahuhuli kayo. Gawin nyo to later. May copy naman ito. Libre pa. Okay. May copy naman to. Libre pa. Wala bang magsasabing yehe dyan? Okay lang. Copy lang. Copy yun lang. Ganon. Thank you, ha. Okay. Hinahin naman mag-react, eh. Libre na nga. Step by step na nga. Okay, copy. Okay. Anyway, where was I? Shortstack is used to create a Facebook sweepstakes or contest. Next, pagpasok mo sa Shortstack, sino naman ang friend mo? Sino ang friend mo? Dalawa yung orange. Tinuturo ko na sa inyo kung ano yung pipindutin. So, create tab from template. Oh, sinong gusto mag-inhale? Pakisabi nga, sinong gusto mag-inhale? Yung nahihirapan. Ganun. Nahihirapan. Alam nyo ba't kayo nahihirapan? There's one rule, especially when you're dealing with me. Exactly what I say, do it. Huwag nyong basahin yung ibang parts ng website. Yung iba kasing ginagawa, lahat pinipindot. Pag pinindot lahat, nalilito ayun. Paano ka matututo? Lahat, inaral mo lahat. Sundin mo lang, lalo na pag ako nagturo. Sa iba siguro, pakad mo lahat yan, ubusin mo yung panahon mo. In my case, even I don't understand the other aspects of the programs I use. Okay? Even I do not understand the aspects and stuff of the programs I use. I just use them to make money. Anong gusto nyo? Naintindihan nyo yung program? Kumikita kayo ng pera. Anong gusto nyo? Kita kayo ng pera, naintindihan nyo yung program. Smart kayo o kumikita kayo ng malaki? Anong gusto nyo? Anong gusto nyo? So, stop trying to understand the rest of the software or the Shortstack until you understand what I'm telling you now. So, click nyo lang yung second na orange. Ganun lang. Simple. Next, inhale. Ayan, inhale. Sa mga taong gusto mag-inhale. Ayan, sige lang. Inhale lang kayo. Next! Tapos na. May lalabas na templates. Kasi, di ba, ang pinili natin yung second eh. Basahin nyo naman. Create tab from template. So, may lalabas na template. Ano yung sabihin ng template? Sample. Ano yung sabihin ng template? Sample. Pakiulit nga para alam niyo. Template, sample. English lang yan. Yung Tagalog ko, mali pa. Sa inyo, tama. So, pipiliin yung second na sample. Kasi yun yung nakalagay sweepstakes. Nakikita niyo yung word na sweepstakes sa baba? Yung ibig sabihin ng sweepstakes, yun yung contest. Di ba pag may sweepstakes, tumataya ka? Kasi random contest. O, yun. Pinditin niyo yung sweepstakes. Sweepstakes, sweepstakes, sweepstakes. Ayan na, inulit ko 4 na beses. Hindi nyo natatanungin na anong pipindutin. Thank you. Next. Tapos may lalabas na something. Nakalagay sweepstakes. Okay. Alam nyo gagawin nyo dito, di ba? Anong gagawin nyo dito sa screen na to? Sige nga, hulaan nyo. What are you gonna do in the screen? This is the sweepstakes template. Kinlik ko na siya. Anong fill in? Sige nga, anong tinuro ko sa inyo? Anong tinuro ko sa inyo? Quilleber, siya lang nakaalam. Bilya. Deserticast, congratulations. Yes, correct. O, tama. Nakuha nyo na. Wala naman ako sinabing fill up eh. Orange lang. Ang dali-dali nga nito, susundin mo lang yung orange eh.
Yes!
Diba?
Yes!
See, nagalit tuloy si Lucia. Kasi ayaw nyo sundin. Okay, punta na doon. Punta na doon. Go.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, Dad.
Okay. Ay, hindi totoo yun. Kunyari lang yun. Recording lang ng mga bata. Okay, let me... Sino yun? Sino nag-bad word? Next time you do that, ban kita. Yung nag-bad word. Yung nag-bad word eh. Okay. Yung left side, that is the sweepstake template. Okay? Yung right side, that is the DMCI page. Okay? I'm telling you, pareho lang sila. Yung kaliwa, yun yung blanco. Yung kanan, yung nilagay ng DMCI. You gets nyo? What you're doing is you're gonna do something on the right. Since blanco, so wala naman yung nasa left. Okay? So, we're gonna do that. So, the only thing you're gonna do to this one is click on the orange thingy. And then, we're gonna try to put the picture of the 2 t-shirts where it's supposed to be. Sa taas. Kasi yun yung premyo. Okay? Taas ang kanang paa. Sino marunong mag-PowerPoint? Go. Sabi mo, yes, I know PowerPoint. Yung marunong mag-PowerPoint. Yung Microsoft Word. Marunong kayo Microsoft Word. Yes, sabi nyo, Microsoft Word. Marunong kayo? So, pareho lang yun. Ilagay nyo yung picture sa Microsoft Word o PowerPoint. Tapos lagyan nyo ng Word sa taas. Okay? Yan yung nilagay ko. May nilagay akong Word sa taas. This is just Microsoft Word. Like us to get a chance to win any of these 2 t-shirts. Okay? So, nilagay ko yung picture na dinekot ko sa internet. Marunong kayong kuha ng picture sa internet? Siguro naman marunong kayo mag-google, no? Ang nilagay ko lang naman, Angry Birds t-shirt eh. Kunyari lang naman yung premyo. So, kahit anong picture. Kung gusto nyo, i-premyo nyo yung anak-anak ninyo, pwede rin. Picture lang naman eh. Kunyari lang may premyo. Tapos lalagay mo lang yung words na, like us to get a chance to win any of these 2 shirts. Kasi raffle. Okay? So, nilagay ko lang yung words. Tapos, ang ginawa ko sa kanya, alt print screen. Or basta kinuha ko tong picture na to, tapos naging siyang file. If you don't know how to do this, ask us later. Meron kaming tutorial sa jomarhilario.com kung paano gawin yung alt print screen na yan. Kung gusto niyo ng tulong, paano magpindot ng alt print screen, paano magputol ng image na mula sa PowerPoint or Word para maging picture. Meron kaming tutorial sa jomarhilario.com. Nikki, tingnan mo kung mahanap mo yung snip something, I forgot the name of that thing. Paano mag-snip. Anyway, so, the only thing that I'm saying is you need to prepare a picture. So, may picture na tayo. So, ito yun na yung screen. Okay? Yung snipping tool, hanapin mo yung tutorial snipping tool, i-post mo dito. Okay? So, this is what it looks like. So, we're trying to edit this para malagay natin yung image ng t-shirt. So, ang gagawin natin, intindihin natin yung left side. Yung left side, yung non-fan image, yun yung nasa yun yung, pag may ginalaw ka sa kaliwa, yun yung magbabago yung pointan ko ng arrow. Okay? Zap grab, yes. Huwag na kayo sabihin na maraming picture ng mga programs for capturing the screen, ha? Okay, hindi natin topic yon. Ang topic natin, explain ko sa inyo paano paandarin to. Now, yung listahan sa kaliwa is the same as the one on the right. Yung listahan sa kaliwa, yun din yung nasa kanan. Yung nasa kaliwa na edit widgets, yun yung gagamitin mo para ma-edit yung nasa kanan. To do that, all you need to do is huwag matakot. I-click mo yung pencil sa pinakauna. Sa mga taong hindi alam kung nasan yung pencil, ayun no, pag dinala mo yung mouse mo doon, maging yellow yung pencil. Tapos sasabihin niya, click to configure this widget. So, i-click mo lang yung pencil. Isipin mo na lang orange siya, though yellow naman siya. I-click mo lang yung pinakaunang pencil. Kasi yun yung picture, image. Yun yung t-shirt. Ayun oh. Tama, di ba? First. Tapos, inhale kayo. Sa mga malapit na mag-ano. Ayan na, snipping tour tutorial, oh. Kunin nyo na sa chatroom. Yung kay Nikki. Di ba? Papaklik ko lang sa inyo yung pencil, kailangan nyo pa mag-inhale. Kasi feeling nyo, kailangan nyo intindihin lahat. Mali. Hindi nyo kailangan intindihin kahit alin dyan. Pindutin nyo yung pencil, kamote. Next. Inhale na. Tapos may lalabas na screen. Yung screen na yan, hindi mo alam gagawin. So, sino naman yung friend mo? Tong. Who's your friend? So, alam nyo na, di ba? Orange. Orange na naman. Bakit pa ang dali-dali ng buhay? Orange na naman. O, pindot mo si orange. Tapos, may lalabas na ito, wala si orange. Ito, ginawa nyo na to. Pag naglalagay kayo ng picture sa Facebook, choose file. So, hindi nyo naiintindihan, di ba? Yun yung choose file. Pag pinili mo yung file, i-upload nyo automatic. So, lalabas dito yung picture. Ayan. Hindi ko na in-explain yung choose file, ha? Sino sa inyo ang marunong mag-upload ng picture sa Facebook? Marunong kayo. Yun din yun. Choose file din. Ano? No? Thank you. Sabi. Okay, very good. Tapos, selected naman yung image. Tapos hindi nyo na naman alam kung anong gagawin, di ba? Kasi, sino naman friend nyo? Eddie, use selected image, alangan naman cancel, nalagay, na-upload mo na, di ba? Pindutin mo yung orange again, o tapos na. Hindi pa tapos. Hindi mo na naman alam gagawin mo. E di save mo. Kasi orange eh. Di ba? Ang galing-galing talaga. Hell. Save mo na, o yan na. So yung picture dapat nasa kanan na. Relax muna. Ganun lang ang gagawin nyo sa lahat ng nasa kaliwa. I-change mo lang yon. Pupunta ka sa pencil. Tapos, yung second naman, pag pinindot mo yung pencil na second, gusto ba mag-inhale? Inhale? Hindi na. Pindutin mo yung pencil, tapos may lalabas na words, like us to enter our sweepstakes. So, ayaw mo na, gusto mong paltan. So, gusto mong paltan, gawin mong like us to enter our sweepstakes to win any of these 2 Angry Birds t-shirt. For example, ganun. Gusto mong kapaltan, so paltan mo lang. Okay, go ahead. Okay? Go ahead and edit that. Okay, edit. Okay, edit. Madali mag-edit. Ginagawa niyo yan sa post ninyo, di ba? Very good. So, who's your friend? Ang pinaka-last na gagawin ninyo is who's your friend. Sa pinaka-taas niyan, merong nakalagay na install tab. Nakakita niyo ba yung install tab? Di ba? Di ba, pag in-explain sa inyo ganito, ang dali naman nun. Ganun ba gumawa ng contest? Oo. Kasi, ino-overcome natin yung fear by calling our friends. Call a friend tayo ngayon. So, call our friend tayo. So, install tab. Okay? Pag nakita mo na yan, meron siya sasabihin na whatever. Siyempre, hindi mo naman naintindihan. Kasi, pipindutin mo lang yung orange. Di ba? Sinabi ko ba sa inyo, basahin niyo yan? Hindi. Pindutin mo yung orange. Anong orange na pipindutin mo? Yung install tab, napindut mo na yun eh. Yung choose, quick, publish. Nagets nyo na? Choose, quick, publish. Okay na. Pag nagawa nyo na yan, lalabas lahat ng Facebook pages mo. Kung typical ka na Facebook user, wala kang Facebook page kundi isa lang. Yung ginawa mong isa. Yung ginawa mong pinakauna, remember, nung sabi ko sa inyo, when we begin, you have to have a Facebook page. Kung hindi ka man gumawa ng Facebook page, eto na naman ang hirit ko. Ayan, pindutin mo yan. Pindutin mo yan. Hindi ngayon, pero pindutin mo yan. Kuha ka ng Facebook page. At kung saan yung Facebook page ko, sabihin mo, Jomar is my Superman. You're asking my suggestion, you know? Diba, I would like to donate 1 million pesos to Jomar's Foundation. Yan yung pangalan ng Facebook page mo. Basta gumawa ka ng Facebook page. Okay? Oo nga, Annabelle, pindutin mo yan, no? Yung ginawa kong link. Kung hindi ka marunong gumawa ng Facebook page. Ang pangalan mo sa Facebook page mo ay I will tell all my friends of the goodness of God. Kung ano man ang gusto mo sa Facebook page. Anyway, locate your Facebook page. Locate mo siya, tapos pindutin mo yung install. Pindutin mo yung install. Sa Facebook page mo, hanapin mo siya, tapos pindutin mo yung install. Okay, napindot mo na yung install. Pasensya ka na, hindi orange yan. Puntahan mo siya, magbabago kulay. Pag napindot mo na yung install, may mangyayari, sobrang bilis, lalabas ito. Kung ano man yan. You're not finished, malapit na. Anybody love to inhale? Sino gusto mag-inhale? Say yes, inhale. Sige, inhale. Inhale. Sino gusto uminom? Inom ng tubig. Malapit na matapos eh. Inhale. Malapit na matapos. Inhale, tapos inom ng tubig. Sino may tubig dyan? Ako may tubig. Inhale, malapit na matapos eh. Okay. Mag-invite pa kayo, wala pa tayong 300. Anyway. Okay, ayun na ho. So, pindutin nyo yung pencil na yon. Ayun na naman siya. Pinakita ko na naman sa inyo. Pencil. Tapos, pag pinindot mo, magbabago siya. Palitan mo yung new tab 1 to win free t-shirt. Tapos, press kayong enter para mag-win free t-shirt. So, para siyang Facebook. Wala kang pa-press na submit. Ganun lang. Gets nyo naman, ano? Papalitan nyo lang yung words to win free t-shirt. Tama ba? Easy ba to? Yes? Easy ba to? Yes? Yes? Easy? Is it easy to change the new tab 1 to win free t-shirt? Okay, very good. Tapos, meron nung smart URL. May lumalabas pa nga na something na hindi ko alam kung anong tawag eh. Basta yon. Yung smart URL na yon, pag pinindot mo yan, magic yan. For everybody, you can do this now. Pag pinindot mo yan, puntahan nyo to. Basically, ito yung puntahan nyo. Yan yung tapos na Facebook contest. Pwede nyo siyang puntahan ngayon. Pero, bahala kayo, baka bumagal tayo. Yan yung Facebook contest na ginawa natin. Puntahan nyo siya ngayon para masaya. Sige, I will wait. Puntahan nyo siya. This is clickable. I-click nyo siya ngayon. Pwede. Hindi pwede. Magkahiwalay. I-type nyo na lang sa type nyo na lang sa browser nyo. Mabagal talaga kasi maglo-load pa yung yung app. Mabagal talaga yan kasi yung maglo-load yung app. Teen entrepreneur, that's my Kita nyo na? Say yes kung nakita nyo na yung I think I see the light yung contest. Hindi yan yung t-shirt contest. Okay lang. Pareho lang yan. Ibang, ayan, nakita nyo na. Kalokohan lang yan, di yan totoo. Pero nagwo-work yan. Pwede kayong sumali dyan, kunyari may contest. Pero hindi totoo, okay? Pero that works. That works as a contest. Yeah. And you know exactly how it's done. Ang only thing na wala ka is the image. Di ba? Gagawin mo pa yung image. Okay? Sample lang yan. That actually works. Okay? Wala akong ganyan t-shirt, so never mind. So, yan. So, that's how you make a Facebook contest na legal. Na hindi ka pwedeng i-shutdown ni Facebook kasi pina-follow mo yung rules niya. Kasi may app. Okay? You can do that for your own stuff, for your own page, or for the page ng client mo. So, let me discuss that part. Game na kayo? Game na kayo? Discuss ko na paano kumita ng pera mula dito. Kasi meron na kayong skill. Tama ba ako? You have the skill. Am I right? You have the skill. Hindi na kulang yung skill. Kilala niyo yung friend niyo, di ba? Yun na yun eh. It's a very simple skill. Now, the reason why we made the simple Facebook contest or sweepstake is because we did not pay anything to that program. Ang pangalan ng program na yun? Short Stack? Libre. Libre si Short Stack eh. Pag ginawa may pera, you ask that person to pay for it. Okay? Anyway, aside from Short Stack, you can also use Grow Social's Customizer. Libre din to. Pero 30 days lang libre. Now, I'm not gonna discuss Grow Social Customizer. It's probably gonna be the same way. Mas social siya siguro kasi 30 days lang. Yung website ng Grow Social, ayun nasa taas oh. Click nyo na lang. Kita nyo yung link sa taas, pinakataas. Customizer.growsocial.com/pricing. That's it. Okay? Yes, naka-upload ito. Pwede mong panood sa friend mo later, Amabel. Okay. Yung Grow Social, Nikki, pakikuha nga ng link, lagay mo sa chatroom. Okay? This is another website you can study to find out how to make a Facebook game contest. Now, it's also free. Clear? I'm not going to discuss it kasi marunong na kayo. Generally, iisa lang ang itsura niyan. Okay? Iisa lang ang itsura niyan. Yes ba? Nagets nyo? Iisa lang ang itsura ng mga contest programs. Okay? So, generally the same. You have to study this if you want to do this or master nyo na lang yung isa. Okay? Kasi hindi naman yun ang point. The point is, I'm telling you, you guys can make a Facebook contest after today. All 265 of you. Kasi tinuro ko na sa inyo. Ngayon, let me tell you all about their obstacles first before we go to the money part. Because it's very important that we discuss obstacles first. Kasi meron kayong mga ini-entertain na mga things habang pinapakita ko sa inyo yan. Sabihin nyo, ay grabe, it's too much hard work pag ginawa ko yan. Di mo maglalaro ako ng contest. Sasali ako ng contest. Tapos baka hindi ako manalo. Tapos, di ba? Sinasabi niyo yun, di ba? Ito tanong, define hard work. Sige Okay? What is hard work? Is hard work pag ikaw naglalaro ng Facebook contest, laborer ka ba? Madumi ka, mabaho ka, yan. Pag ikaw ba naglalaro ng Facebook contest, gumagawa ka ng Facebook contest, pinipindot mo yung, yung orange, nakatayo ka ba sa isang pilang ubod ng haba para magawa mo yon? Hard work, no? Hard work yan. O ikaw ba may kausap ka na boss na masama ang ugali habang ginagawa mo yan? Ikaw ba ay galit sa yung boss mo? Di ba? Kasi naglalaro ka ng games. Meron ka bang boss pag naglalaro ka ng Facebook contest? Yan. Tapos magagalit sa'yo. Wala, di ba? Wala. So, I don't think it's hard work at all. Are you sure you're really thinking when you're doing this? Are you really sure you're doing so much thinking, as in deep thinking? Hinahanap mo yung cow dun sa picture. Is that really so hard? Is it hard work? Hinahanap mo yung logo ng DMCI sa picture. So, in my definition, this is no such thing as hard work. This is not at all hard work. You already know how to make a game, contest. Okay, just know what to press. Okay. Tapos, ngayon, you're essentially playing game, and what I'm gonna propose is for you to actually create games for other people, create contests for other people. This is the time that yung skill nyo ngayon na tinuro ko sa inyo on creating games will be used to earn money for you. Are you interested? Okay. Now, labas nyo na yung payslip nyo. Hindi nyo papakita sa amin, hindi nyo lalagay kung magkano kinikita nyo. Labas nyo yung payslip nyo, o ilabas nyo, o tandaan nyo kung magkano kinikita nyo. Magkano kinikita nyo, o magkano allowance nyo sa magulang nyo, allowance nyo sa asawa nyo. Magkano yung kinikita nyo ngayon. Labas nyo. Hindi nyo sasabihin, kamote. Ba't nyo sinasabi? Ay, nagsabi sila. Hindi nyo sasabihin. Ilabas nyo lang, tingnan nyo mabuti. Okay? Anyway, yung payslip ninyo, some people, they look at their payslip and say, this is all they pay. This is all they pay. Kaya ito yung kinatatanggap ko. O, ilabas nyo yung pera mo na natatanggap mo mula sa asawa mo kasi wala kang trabaho. Tapos sabihin mo, this is all they pay. Right? Right? This is all they pay. Tama, di ba? Actually, incomplete yan. This is the right statement. This is all they pay you. This is all they pay you. Because in your organization, there are people earning more than you. Your president, your stock market investors, they are being paid by the same company higher than you. This is all they pay you. Kaya yan ang sweldo mo. Because this is all they pay you. Yan ang totoo. Hindi yan ang this is all they pay. There's a lot more money coming from somewhere and it's going somewhere and it's not you. Why is that? Because you're not working harder on yourself than on your job. This is all Jim Rohn, by the way. Yes, tama si Marlon. This is all Jim Rohn. Kasi most of the time, we work hard on our job but not on ourselves. What you should do is you should work harder on yourself than on your job. For example, tinuro ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng Facebook contest. That is working harder on yourself because I taught you a new skill. That's not your job. Am I right? Your job is your job, whatever you're working on. If you're a housewife, mas mahirap yung job mo kaysa sa aming lahat. That's your job. Kung ginalingan mo yung paghugas ng pinggan, you're working harder on your job. If you're using a different kind of talent, like making a Facebook contest, that's working harder on yourself. Underline the word harder because I'm gonna go back to hard work again. Okay? Here it is. I mentioned the word hard work because I think you should set a goal to become a millionaire. Everybody here, 269 of you, I think you should set a goal to become a millionaire. Pero wait lang, bago mag-react, wait lang. Because, not because of the money, but because what will you become when you achieve it? Isipin niyo mabuti ah. Not because of the money, but because what you will become when you achieve being valued as a millionaire. I don't mean Filipino pesos. I mean American US dollar millionaire. Or gusto mo euro, whatever. Because you will change as a person when you become a millionaire. Okay? Anyway, so you develop the muscle to become a millionaire, the mental muscle, the physical muscle, the spiritual muscle. And here's the attitude I want you to get. Do not join the easy crowd. You came into the webinar thinking, oy, may way to use Facebook to make money, blah, blah, blah. Tapos tinuro ni Jomar. Ito pala yung step by step. Alam mo na, may skill ka na, bagong-bago. No? 1 hour ago, wala ka na ng skill. Tapos ngayon, after the webinar, you say, shucks, may pinapagawa si Jomar. Mukhang ang daming work nun ah. So, yes, it could be a lot of work. That's because I don't want you to settle for ordinary. I don't want you to settle for low money. I want you to settle for big money. So do not join the easy crowd. Kasi yung easy crowd, yung naghahanap ng madali. Gusto ko lahat madali, gusto ko lahat madali. Kasi people in that crowd, they don't care about you. They don't care about your family. They don't care about your security or peace of mind. They don't care at all. Yan ang easy crowd. Punta ka kung nasaan mataas ang expectations ng tao. Like this crowd here. Taas ang expectations nila, mas mataas ang ma-achieve mo. Okay? Tapos, pumunta ka sa lugar where you are challenged. Like today, like right now. Okay? Don't worry, may point naman ito. Hindi ito basta-basta, okay? Oo, syempre, idol ko si Jim Rohn, hello. Tapos, because pag nag-challenge ka, yung muscle mo nag-i-increase, physical, mental, spiritual, wisdom mo nag-i-increase, you become a different person, a better version of you. And who wants to become a better version of himself? Sabihin nyo, yes, me too. Yeah? So, becoming a millionaire helps you to do this. But we're not finished. When you become worth $1 million, there is a goal to it. And the goal is so that when you have the $1 million, you can give it away. Because I want to give you a new set of challenges. How are you going to give away $1 million? That's very important. Jomar, ang layo ata ng Facebook contest sa $1 million. Akala mo lang yun. Akala mo lang talaga yun. Malayo yun. Malapit na malapit yun. Okay? Because I do this not to help you get an idea and just run away with doing nothing. Okay? Yung mga umalis na, halimbawa, ayaw na nila. Kasi ayaw na nila malaman yung big goals. They want the easy. Okay lang yung mga umalis. You want the easy route? This is not the easy route. Because after this, I'm gonna ask you to do something, okay, on your own. With or without my help, it doesn't matter. Okay? But the goal is, get your $1 million to give it away. That's it. Malaki masyado yun para mabuhay ka, promise. Promise. Dollars yan eh. So you will have to make a project on how to give away that $1 million. Okay? Sa mga tao nagsasabing, hindi, gusto ko lang tatlong pagkain sa isang araw. O yan, umalis ka na sa chatroom. I cannot help you anymore. Okay, gusto mo 3 meals a day lang. Fine. You don't want to help anyone. Fine. For those of you who want to have a bigger life, then 3 meals a day for your family. Get your millions and give it away. Okay, go. Here is the goal. The goal, I'm done with that part. The goal is to develop a specialization sa Facebook. Okay? specialize in Facebook. We've done that. I told you how to do. I told you, hindi ako dollar millionaire. Okay? I told you how to do a Facebook contest. So you have the specialized knowledge na. Game na ako? Game na kayo? Gusto nyo malaman yung money part? Yes? Pinam ako. Hintayin ko yung sagot. Okay. So, the thing you gotta do is play contest. Maglaro ka muna. Damihan mo para may experience ka. Try to win. Para masaya. You win things. Okay? You win things. I actually won a contest na libre ako Boracay. Yeah. I won a contest already in Facebook 2 months ago. 3 weeks ago. So, libre Boracay 3 days, 2 nights. Doon nga sa Alta Vista. Hindi ko ginoinan yung contest na yan. Yung look for the picture. I didn't join that. It's another contest. But I won already. Anyway, you do that. You win contests. You look for contests. I told you how. Tapos, yung mga galing Boracay, malumot ba ngayon? Anyway, then you run contest. I'm gonna teach you how to run contest. Here we go. I'm gonna teach you how to sell your talent of creating Facebook contest. Question. Marami na bang marunong gumawa ng Facebook contest? Kukunti lang. Makinig kayo mabuti. Sobrang kukunti lang. Kayo lang. Huwag kayo maingay. Next. I want you to email, call, or personal message 20 times 100 companies na nagfe-Facebook contest na illegal. So maghahanap ka, di ba? Nakita mo, sumali ka, illegal. I want you to email them or call them or PM them, alam niyo, BM, direct message nyo sila 20 times. Hindi all in one day, ha? 100 companies, preferably the companies that you like, na nagra-run sila ng contest illegally. Yung papalike ng photo, ganyan-ganyan. PM, personal message, DM. Ano bang tawag dito sa Facebook? Ano bang tawag sa Facebook ng personal message? PM, DM, ano ba? Basta tawagan nyo sila. Physical. Paano nyo daw malalaman na illegal yung Facebook contest? Sige nga, review. Review agad no? How do you know na illegal ang Facebook contest na pinapaandar nila? Ayan ang sagot. Pag hindi nyo alam kung ano isabihin niya, balikan nyo to. Walang app. Nagpapalike lang ng picture. Nagpapalike lang ng picture. Illegal yun. Now, here's another twist. You don't have to call, email, or message companies that are running Facebook contests illegally. Okay? You do not have to. Identify the 100 companies that you like. Yung gusto mo. Pwedeng celebrity, pwedeng Tony Gonzaga, pwedeng kahit sino na may Facebook na page. Okay? Tapos, email mo sila, i-call mo sila 20 times. Clear ba ako sa 20 times? Hindi 1 time, hindi 2 time, hindi 3 time, hindi 4 time. 20 times. Hindi mo rin gagawin sa isang araw, ha? Hello? Sunod-sunod dyan, 20 days. Okay, hindi pa tapos. Identify the companies that you like or the companies that do contests illegally. Tapos, ito sasabihin mo. I can run Facebook contests for you. Klaro? Bakit 20 times? Kailangan makulit ka eh. Kasi busy sila. Busy sila, dapat makulit ka. Busy sila, dapat makulit ka. Hindi ka nila papatin, huwag ka magalala. Ito sasabihin mo, first part, I can run Facebook contests for you. Next part, which are compliant with Facebook contest rules so that your page will not be deleted by Facebook. I am teaching you to rely on their F, something, something R. Ano yun? I can run Facebook contests for you which are compliant to Facebook contest rules so your page will not be deleted by Facebook. What are you selling? Fear. You're selling fear. And also the truth. Clear? Clear na, no? Ito na yung sasabihin nyo 20 times. 20 times. Pag sinabi 20 times, today, then tomorrow, then 20 days after na. Yan. Next. Now, I want you to think of, yun lang. Papadala nyo sa kanila yan. Pwede mong sabihin sa kanila na, I know how ikaw nang bahala sa dagdag ha. Papadala mo sila ng message, my name is Jomar Hilario, I've run contests, I've been playing 100 games in Facebook, I'm so experienced, I know how to make a Facebook game, this is an example of what I did, think QR code, di ba? Ikaw na mag-explain, you're applying eh. Clear ba ako? Isang message lang to for all of those 100 companies sa Facebook. By the way, hindi kailangan Pilipino yung company ha. Mas maganda nga foreigner kasi may pera sila. Kahit na anong country na company, kahit Nike man yan, basta malaki. Huwag masyadong malaki. Kasi marurunong na yung mga yon. Yung mga hindi marurunong, mga companies na alam mo, or artista na gusto mo, singer na gusto mo. Tapos, I want you to think of your monthly salary. Naisip nyo na, monthly salary? Think. Nakuha mo na? Game. Multiply mo by 2. Pwede na. Na-multiply mo na by 2 yung salary mo. Okay? Singilin mo sila. Singilin mo sila ng twice your monthly salary for 2 weeks worth of work. 2 weeks. 2 weeks work. Ibig sabihin, magpapaandal ka ngayon ng contest for them for 2 weeks. Sisingilin mo sila ng twice your monthly salary. Mababa pa yan kung dollar yan. Kung dollar yan, mababa pa. Kasi yung 10,000 pesos mo na Philippines, magta-translate lang yan to $200 for 2 weeks for one client. Baba niyan. Pero maganda na, try mo na lang. Okay? Pero isipin mo lang yung salary mo times 2, yun na yung charge mo sa kanila. Bakit 2 weeks? 2 weeks under yung contest. Hindi naman pwede umandar yung contest ng isang taon. 2 weeks lang. Okay? Game. Next na ako. Tapos, ang gawin mo para masaya, humingi ka ng 50% upfront or on the second day. Kailangan mo humingi ng 50% upfront kasi babayaran mo yung pangalan nun. Ano pangalan ng website na tinuro ko sa'yo paano gumawa ng contest? Naalala niyo pa ba, mga kababayan? Ano yung website na yun? Shortstop. Babayaran mo sila eh. So, kailangan mo ng pera. So, humingi ka ng 50% upfront or on the second day. Meaning, mangutang ka muna ng konti. On the second day, pag nagra-run yung contest, humingi ka ng 50% para mapatunayan nila. Para safe naman sila na umaandar na yung contest, second day. Normally, pag umaandar ang contest, kontrolado mo yung Facebook page nila. Uulitin ko, kontrolado mo yung Facebook page nila. Okay? Kasi nasa account mo sa shortstop. Pag they do something wrong, pwede mong burahin yung kanilang contest. Naintindihan nyo ba? Sherpy. Hindi na ako nagsasalita. Kasi sabi na Choppy. Hindi ako nagsalita. Pag Choppy, hindi ako magsasalita para masaya. Okay na, tuloy. So, gets nyo na. So, hingi kayo ng 25% pag halfway na yung contest, inuulit ko lang naman yung slides. Tapos, pag tapos na yung contest, hingin mo yung final 25% na award na yung winner. Tapos, yun lang. Okay, di ba? So, meron kang money tuloy-tuloy. Next. Ito yung trabaho mo. Hingin mo yung images for the contest. Ano yung premyo? Bibigay sa'yo dapat yung image. Hindi ko gagawa, premyo nila yun eh. Sa example natin, tayo gumawa ng picture ng Angry Birds t-shirt. Tayo yung pumili. Eh, since contest nila, sila magbibigay sa'yo ng picture. So, hingin mo yung picture. Tapos, type mo lahat yung rules. Di ba yung terms and conditions, sabi ko sa inyo, ikaw yung mag-iusap ng client ko yung terms and conditions. Tapos, ikaw gumawa ng customer service. Meaning, kung may tanong tungkol sa contest, ikaw sasagot. Kung may tanong tungkol sa contest, ikaw sasagot. Tapos pag may hindi sila naintindihan sa contest, ikaw din ang sasagot nun. Okay? Okay? Gagawa, hindi parang. Frederick, tama, eksakto. Ikaw ang gagawa ng contest, katayap mo yung company na nagbabayad sa'yo. Bakit nila gagawin yon? Kukunti lang, marunong gumawa ng contest sa Facebook ngayon, buong mundo. Kukunti lang. So far, 268 pa lang sa Philippines ang marunong gumawa ng Facebook contest sa Pilipinas. It's a big demand with such small supply. Okay, research tayo ba? Ilan sa kaibigan nyo ang marunong gumawa ng legal na Facebook contest? Ilan? Go! Dalawa, sino sila? Dali. Empleyado sila. Meron dyan meron ha? Meron dyan meron ha? So, kahit na meron kayong sagot dyan na dalawa, isa lang ang may sabi nun. Wala halos. Ikaw lang, Maru. Ba't ka nandito? Marunong ka pala. Maru, anong ginagamit mo? Wildfire? Kung marunong. Sino marunong? So, mga marunong gumawa ng contest, anong ginagamit yung software? Anyway, let me continue. Next. Ang trabaho mo rin is to promote. Maybe not, kasi promotion is actually sa trabaho ng company. Ikaw yung tagagawa ng contest. Okay? Tapos, that is just one way to make money. That's just one way to make money from the Facebook contest talent. Okay? Do you want to know the second way? Yung may monthly income. Kasi yung original, walang monthly income yon per client, di ba? Gusto nyo yung second way, yung may monthly income. Yung every month may pera ka. Di ba? Diba, mahina ang business, may pera ka pa rin. Yung original, naghahanap ka ng kliyente. Pag wala silang contest, actually, pag ang contest naman monthly yan, dapat laging meron sa mga companies na malalaki. Kahit mga artista. Okay? So, there's another way para you can get a fixed amount of money using your talent. And that's, mag-apply ka as a virtual assistant sa Odesk. Hindi pa tapos. Bago maghusga, hindi pa tapos. Virtual assistant, a person who works from home. I teach people how to become virtual assistants, di ba? Mag-apply ka sa virtual assistant sa odesk.com. Odesk.com is just like Friendster or Facebook. Fill in your details. Tapos sabihin mo, work from home ka. Tapos sabihin mo, Facebook contest expert ka. Gets? Kuha ninyo. Ito yung lalagay nyo sa pinakataas ng resume ninyo. Pag may kinausap kayo sa Odesk, naghahanap ng mga taong naghahanap ng work from home. Kasi sa Odesk, pag nag-apply ka dyan, bibigyan ka ng monthly niyan. Yung mga kumpanya dyan, monthly ang bayad sa'yo. So, contest expert ka, ha-hire ka nila as a contest expert. Kasi marunong ka, di ba? Hindi kasi madaling gawin yan yung pag-aralan yung contest. Tinuro ko na sa inyo. So, ayan, yan ang gawin nyo. Maging kayong virtual assistant, monthly magkakapera kayo. Kahit na mahina ang ginagawa mo, konti yung trabaho mo, may monthly kayong pera. So, that's the second way to earn money using this talent. Di ba? Galing, ano? Tapos, hindi pa tapos. Hihingan ka ng parang elevator speech or, ang tawag mo doon? Cover letter. Cover letter. Lagay mo ito sa cover letter mo. You can immensely benefit from my extensive Facebook contest creation experience. Whatever. I'm giving you the words to put. Ito yung parang, first, ilalagay mo sa taas ng, ilalagay mo sa taas ng cover letter mo, ilalagay mo sa taas ng resume mo, basta, nagigets nyo? Subject. Pwede na rin subject. Ang haba naman ng subject. Okay, pero yun yung lalagay nyo. Okay? So, pahinga na. Pahinga na ako. 10 minutes na lang. Next step. So, alam niyo na gagawin nyo. Inhale. Uminom na kayo tubig. F5 nga, pag walang audio. Inhale. Inom tubig. So, kuha nyo na. Marunong na kayo gumawa ng contest. Grabe, no? Wala na si Orange dito. Okay. Oo, may kopya webinar. Hintayin nyo lang. Di pa tapos yung webinar, gusto nyo na agad kopya. Di ba? Tapusin muna natin yung recording. Okay. So, let me proceed to the next steps. Okay? Mga announcement lang naman ito, yung mga next step. Then after that, pwede na kayo magtanong kung ano gusto nyo. Okay? Ready for the next step? Simple lang. Gawin nyo lahat na sinabi ko. Di ba? Kailan. Balikan nyo si short stack. Maglaro kayo ng maraming contest. Maghanap kayo ng contest. Aralin nyo paano gawin. Practicein ninyo. Di ba? Okay? Tapos kung meron pa kayong tanong, okay, na hindi related dito, yung parang fringe question. Kasi I already told you what you need to know. Including yung, cover letter mo sa Odesk. Okay? Now, I do have events that you might be interested in. For those of you who want to pursue further studies. Kung may tanong, mamaya, sa tele ha, explain ko muna sa inyo to. Mga events ko, ha? Okay? Baka kasi masagot ko na agad yung mga tanong ninyo versus sa events. Okay? Kasi may mga events ako, 4 to. So, sabihin ko lang sa inyo. If there are, kung may entire question kayo, sometimes I cannot answer in a one sentence. Kailangan seminar. Okay? So, hindi to plugging. It's important. Do not think I'm plugging this. This is part of a journey. I told you, don't go to the easy crowd. You go to the crowd that challenges you, makes you dream big, achieve big. To do that, you need mentors. To do that, you need seminars. To do that, you need books. If I don't give this to you, who will give this to you? Sige nga, pumunta kayo sa Singapore, Malaysia, China. Self-study, AGAM, 30. Self-study lang. So, I need to give you stuff to do next. Okay? Kailangan nyo ng mastermind. Di ba? Kailangan nyo ng seminar. Pumunta kayo sa ibang bansa. If I don't give this to you, right? I have to give this because I have it. Welcome naman kayong pumunta sa ibang bansa kung nasa ibang bansa na kayo. Okay, here it is. For beginners, as in super beginner kayo sa internet earning, and hindi kayo techie, or kayo ay virtual assistant na, tas gusto niyo tumaas yung pera na natatanggap ninyo, ulitin ko itong unang event ko is beginners, hindi techie, gusto niyo tumaas yung pera ninyo kung VA na kayo. Ito yung May 1 event ko. Huwag na kayo magbakasyon sa Boracay, malumot. Punta kayo sa Deep Internet Secret Seminar sa Taguig. This is where I live. Okay? So, this is for techie, hindi techie. This is for VAs at mga beginners. This is the venue. Yon, yung may araw. Yun yung venue. Okay? That's Taguig. That's very near Market. Okay? Now, the price for that is there. And there's a downloadable version. Nikki, buhay ka pa ba? Nandiyan ka pa ba? Paki-type nga yung downloadable. Pwede mong i-download yan. Pag in-off mo yung download kasi wala ka sa Pilipinas, 2 copies ang makukuha mo. Okay? 2 copies. Yung kopya noong last year at saka yung kopya this year. So, 2 copies pag magdina-download. May promo kami na ang 2 seats sobrang mura. 1.5 lang yung second seat pag nagdalawa ka. Okay? So, the Deep Internet Secrets is designed to upgrade your knowledge. If you're a VA already, you're a beginner, or hindi ka techie. Okay? Magdala ka ng laptop pero hindi kailangan ng computer. 1 seat is 2.9. Tumataas yan pag tumagal, so don't hesitate. Tapos, pag nag-2.9 ka, dagdagan mo siya ng 1.5, dalawa na kayo. Okay? Pag download lang is 2.975 also. Okay? So, that's the first event. The time is 9 to 5. 9 to 6 pala. Sorry, 9 to 6. 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Tapos, once a year lang ang Deep Internet Secrets. So, if you're thinking about the next event, next year, if I do it, actually won't do it anymore. So, last year I did it once, and then I did it this year. I'm not gonna do it anymore. Pa-download ko na lang sa inyo next time. Kung gusto nyo pang matutunan yung laman yan. Ang laman ng Deep Internet Secrets ay social media marketing. Kasi marunong na kayo nun, it's Facebook. So, clickable yung links na yan kung gusto nyo nang bumili now using your credit card or PayPal. Okay, let me proceed with the next one. So, kung gusto nyo mag-work at home at nasa Visayas or Mindanao kayo, eto yon, Cebu. I'll be in Cebu on May 5. Do your best to tell everyone you know because I'm not gonna come back there again kung baba yung demand. Binook ko na yung place, tuloy na yan. More than 20 people have already signed up and paid. So, pupunta na ako talaga dyan. Kahit kaunti kayo, pupunta naman talaga ako eh. So, malaki yung venue, solo natin yung penthouse ng hotel. So, as much as possible, invite people. Kasi pag 2 seats, additional 1.5 lang. You gets? Lagi kaming additional 1.5 pag 2 seats. To buy from the internet, just go click on those links. Ayan, no? jhilario.com, VA Cebu 2012. Yan yung mga links na yan. Okay, to buy from the internet. Or you can also use BPI. BPI, care of Nikki. You ask Nikki. Okay? Now, so those of you naman na gustong maging super success, kasi napansin ko lang ito, hindsight, sa mga very successful students ko. Literal itong super success na to. As in, they're working from home, as VA, as online marketer, they're earning a minimum of 100,000 a month, mga ganong klase. Okay, I'm really sorry, I cannot tell you exactly who they are, kasi ayaw nila sabihin ko sa inyo. Okay, kasi privacy nila yun, buhay nila yun. They actually guest in my events and they tell people live. Pero I can't just tell you this ganyan is earning that. Sila sasabihin nila sa inyo in your face. Meron pa nga naka $2,000 dyan na VA. And that's the sideline. Yeah. Yung mga super success ko, dito sila galing. Napansin ko lang to, hindi ko kayo ino-OA yan, okay? Napansin ko lang, if they attend my work, na gusto nilang mag-work at home na katulad ko, hindi ako VA, online marketer ako, just gusto mo magkaroon ka maraming time and resources. Time and resources, whatever your definition of resources, okay? Gusto mong maging online marketer, gusto mo magkaroon ng time, gusto mo magkaroon ng more resources sa buhay mo, attend ka ng May 18 and 19, 2-day workshop. Hands-on to. Meron tong computer sa harap mo. Actually, 5 days yan. The week before May 18, may webinar. May 18, 19, 2 days yan. Tapos, sa June and July, meron pa tayong half-day seminar. You get me? This is actually 5 days. 5 days. Meron pang 2 days na follow-up seminars sa June and July. Nagigets nyo ba? Kaya sila naging super successful eh. Okay? Ang tinuturo ko dito, lahat na kailangan nyo matutunan para kumita ng pera sa internet. Hindi VA ito ha. Hindi lang VA. Merong part na VA pero hindi lang VA. And this is not a seminar. This is a workshop. You're gonna use computers in an internet cafe. Naka-cafe tayo. Tayo lang ang laman ng internet cafe. Kung wala ka sa Philippines, ang option mo is online mentoring club. Yan. Same thing. Pero 1 year lang. 1 year yan. Kung wala ka sa Philippines, ayan. Online mentoring club. So, si Mia member na yan. Okay? Bukas na ulit ang OMC. Okay. So, here is the rate for the 2-day workshop. So those of you who want to become super successful is 9,750. So Jomar, ano tuturo mo dito? Hindi Facebook contest. Everything else that allows you to create more money than just a Facebook contest. Okay? Yes, you can make more money, a lot of money in Facebook contests. But that's not how I make money. I make money through selling of information online. Okay? So this is all the details inside information and how to. You're actually gonna do stuff here. I'm not gonna tell you concepts. This is not a conceptual thingy. This is we're gonna do stuff. We're gonna make websites, stuff like that. Pag 3 seats, isang pair, tapos isa. Pair yan eh, kung mag-discount kami. Okay? Pair. Pag may pair ka kasi, discounted kayo pareho ng 1,000. Gets nyo ako? Pag pair kayo, discounted kayo ng 1,000 each. So, okay yan. Diba? Pag may pair kayo. Siguro naman, nag-guess nyo saan kayo pwede kumuha ng pair. Nag-guess nyo ba saan kayo pwede kumuha ng pair? Ang requirements for the workshop, marunong kang, pasado ka na, nandito ka na eh. Anybody who can enter this chat room, pasado na para sumali sa workshop. Okay. Ang hindi namin tinatanggap sa workshop ay yung hindi marunong mag-email. Yun. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung mouse, gano'n. Yun. Okay, deadline for the early bird rate, May 3 lang. May 3. Okay. So, if you know how to use a mouse, hindi ka nahihirapan kung ano yung click, double click, pwede ka sa attend sa workshop. Okay? So, early bird rate, 9,750. Pag pair kayo, 8,750 each. Hanggang May 3 lang. Okay? And that's the workshop. That's the click. I-click mo yan. So, ito hindi to beginners. Beginners and those na walang alam sa online marketing. Yung paano siya umaandar. Okay? Sigurado ko hindi nyo alam yon. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kilala ko sino ang internet marketing sa Pilipinas eh. Kilala ko yung mga tao na yon. Hindi kayo yon. Kasi, kilala ko sila. Wala sila dito. Ba't sila makikinig sa akin? Marurunong na sila. Konti kami sa Pilipinas eh. Ang laman nito, autoresponders. Alam mo, marunong ka mag-autoresponder. Yun. Buhay ng internet marketer yan, autoresponder. Yan, paano gamitin yan? Pag hindi ka marunong yan, si Bo marunong yan, syempre. Pag hindi ka marunong mag-autoresponder, hindi ka internet marketer. Okay? Alam mo lang si Facebook. Si Larry, tinuruan ko rin yan. Hindi nga lang siya masyado nakikinig sa akin kasi mas matanda sa akin yan eh. Okay, so, there. So, autoresponder is just day 2. Okay? There's also day one, which is all about not blogging. This is not blogging. This is about, basahin nyo na lang yung website. Haba yan eh. Ang daming laman yan eh. Gagawa tayo ng blog. Mag-SEO tayo. Sino pa ba? Gagawa tayo ng tutorials. Mag-embedding tayo. Magsisell tayo online. Gagawa tayo people buttons. Lahat ng technical stuff na kailangan mong alam para mabuhay ang online website mo. O syempre, paano mag-attract ng opt-in? SEO nga eh. Online marketing, online copywriting, handle lahat yan. That's 5 days. Remember, it's 5 days. 1 day orientation. It's a 90-minute webinar. 1 week before May 18. Tapos, May 18-19 workshop. Tapos, 2 days na half day na seminar sa June and July. Para kompleto, di ba? Alam nyo na. So, that's very powerful, that workshop. Kasi ang dami-dami nag-succeed after that. Okay? Charinads, ano ba? After the workshop, may dalawa pang seminar, half day. Tapos meron JH Mastery pa na Facebook group. Tapos meron pang group ng graduates ng workshop. Ang dami-dami ang handouts ninyo, dalawa, papel at saka USB. Uuwi nyo lahat ng presentations sa workshop. Handouts, paper, and USB. All presentations, uwi niyan. Wala talagang excuse. Sabi sa inyo, nagsasucceed talaga yung mga nag-a-attend dyan pag kumikilos eh. Kasi iuuwi nila lahat. Kung may business ka, pwede. Kung wala kang business, pwede. SEO, cyber denizen, kasama sa lahat ng tinuturo ko, SEO. Kasama sa lahat. Online mentoring club, saka yung mga, ano yun? Online mentoring club, yung para sa mga wala sa Pilipinas, saka dyan sa workshop. This is for not in the Philippines. Ito yung version niya. Okay? Kitty, yes! Ngayon lang to. Online mentoring, itong workshop, ngayon lang, hindi to ngayong year. Ngayon lang May ito. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it again, depending on the demand for people for the workshop. Okay, I always function on demand. Explain ko sa inyo yan sa workshop. Always something on demand. You work on the demand. Gusto ng tao, bigay mo. Ganun lang. Outside the country, OMC ka lang. Huwag mo ilangang OMC. Mas maganda nga yun kasi 1 year yon. Okay? O yan si Binsoy, mayroong testimonial. I hardly suggest Sir Jomar's 5-day workshop. This is the reason why I'm earning a lot from my business. Thanks, Sir Jomar. Dahil sa iyo, na-showcase na husto ang skills ko sa internet. O, di ba? Binsoy, sino ka ba talaga? Anong website mo? Di ko alam eh. Wala tayong workshop sa Cebu. Wala akong venue. I need to find a venue if you wanna do it in Cebu. Mayroon ako sa Cagayan de Oro. Pero sa Cebu, wala pa. So, I suggest you fly in or just get to the online mentoring club. Okay? Sobrang maraming detail ang online mentoring club. It's 1 year long. Okay? Pag abroad ka, yun yung formal letter. Ito yung online mentoring club. Yun yung pag abroad. Yan. Okay. Let's nag-overtime na ako. Ito nga pala ang venue ng online ng workshop Sa ilalim ng MRT sa Ayala, merong Bonifacio na bus. Sakyan mo siya, dadalhin ka niya sa market. Ganun lang kadali. Sa ilalim ng Ayala Avenue na MRT may bus nakalagay Bonifacio Global City. Sakyan mo, dadalhin ka niya sa market. Tapos. Okay? Lastly, if those of you who want to work from home and taga Manila ka, nasa Luzon ka, punta ka sa workshop. Punta ka sa seminar sa June 30. June 30 pa. Work from home. Okay? Work from home as a virtual assistant, June 30. For those who in Luzon. Okay? So, this is the rate, 2,675. Maaga pa kasi, kaya mababa pa. So, 2,675 for one person, add 1,500 for the second person. That's our venue again sa function hall ng Rosewood Point sa Taguig. Ganda dyan. Okay? So, there it is. Special rate for June 30 is only hanggang May 4. So, basically, around next week yung mga deadlines after May 1. Okay? And I hope to see you guys, mga beginners at mga taong gustong increase pera ninyo as VA sa May 1. So, how far is Market from the venue? Ito, 5 minutes. 5 minutes by jeep. Probably less. Yung itong venue na to. Malapit lang sa market yan eh. So, anybody still here for questions? Before we go for questions, let's take a break. Inhale. Tapos, please enter your questions. I'll answer them. Okay, I'm back. Questions! May tanong kayo? Ask away. Mia, nakita ko yung tutorial mo. Tama ba? Ikaw yon? Kulang. Kulang yung tutorial. Kailangan detalyado. Sino ba yung gusto pang gumawa? Padala nyo na yung tutorial nyo kung gumawa kayo. Pag gumagawa sa tutorial, dapat sasabihin nyo kung para saan. Hindi yung click this, click this, click this. Sabihin nyo kung para saan. Ganun. Nakita ko na yung tutorial ng, ng gano'n. Let me check your questions. Nag-create po ako ng page sa Fail 2 days. Bakit hindi siya effective? I can add friends, hindi searchable. Ay. Palike mo muna. Huwag mo i-search yung page mo, ipalike mo muna. At saka hindi pwede mag-add ng friends sa page. Kasi ano yan eh, nilalike lang yung page. Hindi pwedeng i-add ng friends yun. Yun ang malaking difference ng page sa personal account. You can only like a page, but you cannot add a friend to a page. Thank you. Early bird rate ang sa Cebu. Yan yung nakikita mong rate, yan yung early bird. Tapos na atang early bird rate ng Cebu, dear, kasi malapit na. What is better? Live workshop all the time. Better than OMC. Kung pipilian mo yung dalawa, mag-live workshop ka. Will I have other beginner seminars this year? Wala. No. Sorry. Wala pa akong plans ulitin yung Deep Internet Secrets, Francis. Mia, padala mo lang yung short stock mo. Laptop sa workshop? No. Laptop sa Deep Internet Secrets? Yes. VJ. Tapos, baka gusto makipair. Ano ba yan? Cebu seminar, bring nothing. Ballpen. W8 form sa Odesk. It's a legal form na ginagamit para malaman nila na hindi ka American citizen. Fill it up. Just fill it up. Humingi ka ng assistance sa kanila how to fill it up. Ginagamit yun normally para kung sasweldohan ka nila, hindi ka nila tatanggalan ng taxes. So, fill it up. Sabihin mo, I am not a US citizen. Neither do I have an office in the US. Neither do I have employees in the US. Yun yung W8 form sa Odesk. Again, anyway, madali ba mag-commute in and out of the venue? Yes, Vicky, madaling mag-commute in and out of both venues. May tricycle, may taxi. Tapos, after tricycle, pwede ka mag-jeep. Discount sa OMC. Yes, laging may discount sa OMC. Anong ibig sabihin ng discount sa OMC, Cherry? Complete the sentence, please. Pag OMC member ka kasi, may discount ka lagi. 1,000 pesos. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Working Pinoy, hindi walking distance ang Rosewood sa Market unless marathoner ka. You have to take jeep for 5 minutes. Tapos tax, tapos tricycle for 20 seconds. Thank you. Saan makikita si Nikki? Sa bahay nila. Hoy, kung gusto mo ng one true love, maghanap ka ng tao na gusto magpakita. Can we ask for ideas regarding contest for a beginner like me? I don't understand the question. We already made a contest. Gawa ka rin ng katulad nun. Tapos sumali ka ng ibang contest para makakita ka ng ibang style. I already taught you how to look for contests by using Twitter. Sana may tutorial sa paggawa ng contest. Itong recording nito is a verbal, audio, and video tutorial on how to make this contest. Itong recording na to, Christina. Libre ito. Ida-download nyo to mamaya. Ay, hindi pala mamaya. Pag nagawa na namin yung video after a few days. So, I hope that gets some yehey. I don't know. Sa internet marketing, pwedeng kahit anong business. Generally, yes. Unless your clients are tricycle drivers, wala sila sa internet. Okay. Aware kayo sa remote staff. Legal, yon. Remote staff is legal. Australian yung mga clients dyan. See you, Jewel, sa Cebu. Magdala ka pa ng friends. On-site payment sa seminars, mas mataas ng 1,000 pesos. I don't suggest you do it. Kasi minsan, yung food mo, wala kang food. I-order ka namin ng hiwalay. Kasi hindi namin alam pupunta ka match eh. So, I don't suggest you do on-site. You pay in advance. Para makuha namin yung food mo, pati upuan mo. Sigurado kami meron kang maupuan. Okay. Of course, bago ka gumawa ng contest, Grace, sumali ka muna ng 10 contest. Meron ka bang perang kikitain sa photoblog? Jewel ko, konti lang. Cheryl, hindi ko na naman naintindihan yung tanong mo. May discount ba sa OMC? Wala. Today, wala. Actually, wala na talaga. O, di ba ang galing ni Nikki? Alam niya yung sagot ni Deserticas. After May 1, wala akong schedule at wala akong balak ulitin ang Deep Internet Secrets after May 1. I'm not kidding you guys. Now, that has something to do with the stuff I teach. It's marketing. When the market says, basically you guys say, ayaw namin yung seminar na yan, I don't do it anymore. Mayroon akong breakthrough seminar last year, I stopped doing it. Kasi kukunti yung interesado. So, stopped it. Sorry. That was a beginner seminar. I stopped it because people don't want to attend it. Yes, if you're a beginner, Estrella, you can handle the May 1 seminar. Pang super beginner yan. Pero yung mga VAs na gustong pataasin ang sweldo nila, maintindihan nila yan. Hindi rin sila mababore. Okay. Kung wala kang laptop, Estrella, it doesn't matter. Yung katabi mo most likely may laptop. Hindi naman natin gagamitin yung laptop magdamag sa May 1. Kung wala kang credit card, Nancy D, BPI, ayun yung account details, Nikki. Pinigay ni Nikki yung details. Yung PowerPoint copy ng webinar, dito rin. Pero, huwag kayo mag-alala. Lalabas din sa GH Mastery kung saan nyo download to. Pero nandito na. Pwede nyo download ngayon yung presentations. Ngayon din. Pero nag-chat pa tayo, so mamaya na. Jewel, pa-picture tayo. Sige mag-lipstick ka kung babae ka. Okay. Workshop, hindi kayo pwedeng magdala ng laptop. Walang patungan. Bibigyan ko kayo ng computer. Internet cafe yun eh. Parang biglaan yung marketing seminar. That's not a question. Okay. Philippe, what is the best title ng Facebook page to promote a product or business? The best title of a Facebook page to promote a product or business is a likable phrase. Yun. For example, ang product mo or business mo ay ice cream, also known as Magnum Ice Cream. Ang Facebook page mo, hindi Magnum Ice Cream. Ang pangalan ay I Love Ice Cream. Yon. Tinatanong mo ako, sinagot kita. No kidding. John Nobera, W8 form, nasagot ko na kanina. Fill it up to tell them that you are not an American citizen. That's it. Hindi required Mail USA na magdala ng laptop sa May 1. Kung gusto mo lang. Yung Pink Team, 9750, that is for all the 5 days. Hindi lang siya sa 2-day workshop. All the 5 days. Thank you, Tess. Tapos, Jomar, yan bang ituro sa internet workshop? Ituturo din sa OMC2. Yes, Ken, of course. Yes, Ken, yes. Tuturo lahat yan. Ipopost lang po ang webinar sa group page on how to earn from Kitty ZY. Anong tanong? Ipopost na lang po yung webinar sa group page on how to earn. Yes. How about yung assignment ng Cisco? Okay, Hanep. Tanong niyo si Nikki tungkol sa assignment ng sis mo. Okay. Remote staff is not like Odesk. Remote staff is looking for Filipino VAs to help out Australian clients. Yun. Laki ng pagkakaiba nun. Ang Odesk ang katutak ng mga clients, hindi lang Australian. Which is better, workshop or deep internet? Depende kung sino ka, Miss Mike. Pag workshop, ready ka nang tumabaho. 2 days yan. Lagi tayo nasa computer, babad. Ang deep internet is a slow introduction to internet secrets and internet shortcuts. If I were you, I would first attend the deep internet secrets, then I'll attend the workshop. No kidding. Kasi mas hindi ka na shock sa dami ng gagawin. 2 days siya na 9 hours a day tayo well, actually 8 hours kasi kakain tayo ng tanghalian. Pero lagi tayo nasa computer, babad. Yun. Pureza. Hindi ka titigil ng OMC. Pag-attend ka ng workshop, tapos tuloy pa rin ng OMC. Malalaman mo lang lahat ng laman ng OMC pag nasa workshop ka. Kasi for those of you na hindi alam yung OMC, Online Mentoring Club, hindi ko pinapakita lahat ng lessons doon kasi 1 year yon. 12 months ko pinapakita. Deep Internet Secrets is not part of OMC. Ibang-iba yung lessons nun. Ang venue LPPAS ng VA seminar ng Manila is Rosewood Point. The picture you have up there, yan yung venue. So Philip, maghahanap ka ng word or phrase that describes wellness, beauty, whatever. Hindi pwedeng lahat. 3 yan wellness, beauty, food. 3 pages yan. Iba-iba yan Likeable na phrase or short sentence. Aldrich Lara, may parking slot ba? Meron syempre parking slot. Magugustuhan mo ba yung parking slot? Hindi ko alam. So, kung takot ka sa Jaguar mo, i-park mo siya sa loob ng market, tapos mag-commute ka na lang papuntang Rosewood. Okay? Kasi hindi masyadong maganda yung parking slots dito sa Rosewood. Yun. Thank you, Solly. Ngayon ko lang narinig pangalan mo. Singapore, Philippines. Paano kumikita sa contest? That's the entire talk. I suggest you just go to the recording. Cyper Zenison, goodbye. Wala pa akong schedule kailan mag-close ulit ang OMC, pero hindi part ang deep internet secrets ng OMC so far. Congratulations, Jewel. Okay. Jewel, hintayin mo lang yung ay, nangungulit lang siya, no? Hindi siya tao. Sige, fine. How do you top companies that would need a contest? Ikaw bahala, sinong gusto mo? Maghanap ka ng companies na malalaki. Medium-sized companies that you like, are galang, 816. Ikaw bahala, sinong kumpanya trip mo. Wala akong trip di lahat ng kumpanya sa Pilipinas, emailan mo. Ganon? Oo. Wala namang sabi sa'yo, huwag mong gawin Sinasabi ko sa'yo, gawin mo. New required skills para do I need to have an existing blog? Roldan, no. Ang kailangan mo ay willingness to learn. That's it. That's the only thing you need. Hindi mo kailangan ng blog. Hindi mo kailangan ng business. Hindi mo kailangan ng anything aside from willingness to learn. Ito yung pinakamadaling business nga Ang requirement, willingness to learn. Diba? Pink Team, 9750 is for all 5 days. Ladrick, 9750 is for all 5 days. Sorry, don't have smart money, don't have GCash, sorry. BPI-in mo na lang. Huwag ko masyado sa easy. Oo nga, it's a great start. Mag-graduate kayo doon sa mga foreigners na nagbibigay ng mga lectures katulad ko. Thank you for good health. Pati pamilya ko good health. OMC, for those of you interested in online mentoring and you're not in the Philippines, di ba? So here is the OMC website. Sorry, hindi walang word na OMC. Papata ko na nga to. Yan yung OMC website. Puntahan ninyo. Yan. Miss Mike, isabihin, ayaw mo pang yumaman. Yun lang yun. Make time. Tama si Working Pinoy. How do you download the slides? Oo nga, paano ba i-download yung slides? No? You mean this slide here, right? How do you download the slides? I have no idea. How do you download the slides? Ito, download the slides. Ayan, download the slides, kamote. Mamadali eh. Sige. Villar MR. Yes! Hindi sinusurvive ang internet marketing workshop. Okay. Hindi ka pwedeng maligo, Ladrick, sa swimming pool. Busy tayo. Busy. Mapapasma ka lang. Okay. Philip, baka para magbigay ka ng good example sa FB page na pwede kong maging reference to promote product. Kung gusto mong matuto sa Facebook, Philip, hindi yan by example. Mamasterin mo yan. Suggest ko sa'yo, mag-attend ka ng workshop. Gawa tayo ng Facebook page doon. Or online mentoring club. Ang daming example eh. Pizza Hut website. Pizza Hut na Facebook page. Ganda yan. O yan, example yan. Sabi mo eh. Tinatanong mo ko, yan. Cheng. Yung first one is a webinar. So you can attend it anywhere you are. Cheng Miraflor. Webinar yun, internet, katulad nito. So tapos papasok tayo sa web, sa 2-day workshop after that. You do not have to be registered in anywhere else before attending the Cebu Dynancy. Hindi ka pwedeng maligo sa pool. Busy tayo, busy. El Pipaz. Is it possible for a mom like me to be a VA? Most of the VAs I know are mommies. Lalo na dito, may mga VA mommies dito. Buti nga siya, wala akong 1-year-old eh. Lahat naglalakad na. Mas madali pa. Oo, pupunta ako dyan. Pupunta kami Universal, Singapore, Philippines. Wala akong venue, no? Kailangan ko magka-venue para makapunta ako sa Singapore. My workshops and seminars are not, wala silang prerequisites. It just is easier for people to go first to the deep internet secrets, then go to the workshop. Pag hindi sila masyadong sanay sa technology. Pag hindi sanay sa technology, mag-deep internet secrets ka muna. Tapos pumunta ka sa workshop. Pag sanay ka sa technology, diretso ka na sa workshop. Parang redundant po yon if pag-aaralan sa workshop ang pag-aaralan sa OMC. Hindi redundant ang tawag doon. Repetition is the mother of learning. Sabi ni Jack Canfield. Ulitin ko, repetition is the mother of learning. Jack Canfield. Hindi siya redundant. Kulit ni Singapore, no? Next time, tatanggalin kita sa chatroom, Singapore, actually. Bad dyan eh, bad, paulit-ulit. Hoy, Dr. Jean, o, diba, meron siyang testimonials. Kopyahin natin. Ayan. Fan RX, pag-aralan mo, baka may bayad. Baka walang bayad. Pwede bang i-upload yung video nyo kanina? Anong video ko kanina? Anong i-upload? Labo naman. Hindi ko alam yung video na sinasabi mo. Nasaan na kaya yung sharing kanina ni ano? Something. Ay, nawala no. Napin ko na lang later. May tanong pa kayo? Naubos na ba? So, wala bang tanong tungkol doon sa ano? Sa tinuro ko? Masyadong dali, no? Dali ba? Yung tinuro ko sa inyo? Huwag na kayo mag-AdSense para nyo ng awa. Wala na yan. Patay na ang AdSense sa Pilipinas. Pinatay ng Google. FC Padua discounted ng 1,000. Yan. Charinards, how soon will you earn after attending the workshop? Tanong, how soon will you act on everything I say in the workshop? Ideas yan eh. You can earn immediately after 1 week if you will act, if you will think about it. Experience-wise, yun yung part na hindi ginagawa ng tao. Madalas. Yung acting after the workshop. They normally wait. Kaya gusto kong maging millionaire kayo. Para naman mas maganda yung goal ninyo. Hindi lang yung, I want extra income. Okay? Hi, Vicky. Late ka nga. Ulitin mo na lang yung webinar. Mayroon namang recording to. Paano download ang PDF presentation? Download! Donk! Ayan. Oliver, ano yung 3-month free workshop sa website? Hindi siya workshop. Basahin mo ulit, Oliver. Walang free 3-month workshop. Read it again. It says free e-course. It's an email course. Yon. LP Pass. Thank you. Desiree Bidizon Reyes. Qualifications of a VA. Marunong kang mag-mouse. Willing ka to learn. Yon. Ganon. Bakit gusto niya may BS degree? Minsan useless ang BS degree sa VA. Hindi. Kailangan marunong ka mag-mouse. Mahilig ka mag-computer. Hindi ka naiinis pag nag-computer ka. Willing ka to learn. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Mga nag-got to go. Bye-bye. Singapore, Philippines, kung seryoso ka, padalan mo ako ng email, di ba? Padalan mo ako ng message. Gano'ng kalaki bahay nyo? Baka naman pwede mag-seminar sa bahay nyo. Pwede na yan. Di ba? Ganun lang yun. Di ba? O, Philip, nakuha mo ba yung Pizza Hut ko na example? Pizza Hut, marunong sila mag-promote sa internet. O, cafe. Bye-bye. Ana Amistoso. Kung meron tanong kayo, tanong ninyo sa JH Mastery Group. No problem. Lahat ng webinar ko, downloadable. Hindi lahat. Yung iba lang. Like this one. Hindi ka pwede maging billionaire kung hindi mo dinaanan si millionaire. Awesome, di ba? Okay na. Tapos na tayo. Wala na nagtanong tungkol sa contest. Sobrang klaro, no? Dapat, after today, ang dami nyo nang gumagawa ng contest, ha? Downloads. O favor, lagay nyo naman sa status update ninyo. Ano ba pwede nyo ilagay? Just finished listening to Jomar Hilario on how to convert Facebook knowledge. Facebook contest na lang para alam nila. Knowledge into money. Galing. Join us for the replay download. Yan. Lagay nyo naman sa update nyo. Favor. Yan. Para maingit sila. Para hindi kayo nagpupwersa sa mga kilala nyo. Yan yung ilalagay nyo dyan. Yan mismo, kopyahin nyo na lang. Tapos pag nagtanong sila, sabihin mo, pumunta na lang kayo dun. May lalagay naman nila yung recording nun. Para makita nyo kung paano ba kumita sa Facebook contest. Di ba? Lagay nyo siya sa Facebook. Update ninyo. Siyempre, lagay nyo ng reaction nyo. Nilagay ko dyan galing. Pero baka gusto nyo lagay ng sarili nyong reaction. You know? Okay, Docs?